melody. Summer soundtrack lies on a hill. I'm doing nothing till I've had my fill. Didn't walk these days, but rather fly, viewing the world through my golden eyes. There were easy times, there were easy times, easy times. There were easy times, there were easy times, easy times. Feel the warmness swirl outside, the quiet content of summertime. Weekends prison of last night's booze, want somebody else wear my working shoes. Daily routine we now ignore, replaced by a sense of euphoria. Manage the occasional jaunt outside. My heart is hard, so I'll be back in 5.
Panther Lake is an interesting lake. You gotta pay a little bit to fish. If you got your own fishing boat, like I do, it's $6 plus $3 to fish. $9 total. You come up here to this house, and you pay them at the house. Fine. Doing alright, I got a 10 for you.
Okay.
Got a 1 for me?
Yes, sir. Let me know.
You watching the game?
Yeah, man.
Who's winning? Really? Hey, bub. Yeah, I feel you, man.
She's allowed now. She was never hurt anybody.
Yeah, nah, she's a good dog. She's a good dog. Figured I'm... Yeah, I bet, man. Alrighty.
Barking. Hey, enjoy it, man. It's another nice day for it.
It is. You gotta milk it for all it's worth out here.
That's right, man.
I'm gonna go catch me some more of those perch.
Yeah, good luck, man. They're pretty fish, man.
Absolutely. Alright, man. See you around. Do any bass fishing? This is the jig I rigged up today. Don't ask me to talk too much about. I don't even know where that looks good in the camera. But I'm gonna give it a couple of practice casts right here off this dock. Probably won't catch anything, but I just wanted to see if it works. So I'll turn it on if we catch a fish. So we'll see. Give me a second. But aren't these things supposed to be weedless? I guess not, huh? Alright. I'm gonna rig up something else real quick and we'll get on the water. Alright. So I guess in this little launch segment, I don't even know if that's in the shot. I really should have used my app. I just wanted to talk just a little bit about hold on. I'm a big dude. These things are hard. Hopefully I can push off. Come on now. Easier said than done. Alright. There we go. So in this segment, I just kind of wanted to talk about my goals for the channel. This is very much a self-discovery thing. This is not I'm going to teach you how to be the best kayak fisherman there ever was in all of the land forever and amen. You know, it's not that kind of deal. It's a journey of self-discovery for me. This is my first fishing kayak ever. It's a Pelican Premium Strike 120X Angler or something like that. This is only the third time I've ever had it out. Second time back on this lake. And I'm cruising on over to the point where I caught my last couple of perch. And we're gonna see if I can do it. It's about the same time of day. See if I can do it with some different lures and see what's up. Just trying to get a feel for this whole kayak fishing thing. Hopefully I don't get hung up. That would suck. It will probably happen, and when it does, I will show you. But anyway, it's a beautiful day. I said this was going to be a learning process. I just threw that brand new spoon into the dang tree. And I think the odds of me getting this one back are marginally slim. So, let me reel as close in as I can and snap it off, I guess. Oh, that was so close to breaking. Holy cow. How did that even happen? Oh, it snapped off. My spoon's up there. Bye, spoon. Alright. Well, time to tie a new line, I guess. Rest in peace, spoon. I decided I wasn't going to let an inanimate object beat me. So I tied on another one of my brand new spoons. Hopefully I won't lose this one. It's black. Got the silver spoon. Put you back in the box. Let's not hook my leg with this. Woo, he says as he almost twisted the leg. Alright. Let's go ahead and pedal away. Let's see if I can get one cast in without hooking anything this time. Or my brand new bass rod, that would be great. Alright. Take two. So I'm just going to kind of let me float, and I'm going to toss it and see what happens. This wind has got me pounding. Look at us go. Oh, it's a big bluegill, man. Wow. Calm down, bud. Calm down. Come here. God, what a slab. Alright. I hope you guys can see that. I'm going to tilt it down more. Hopefully that's not too much. God, I don't know how to get this out of your mouth, but God, what a big bluegill. Oh, wait. There it is. First fish of the day. Get out of here. Told you it would happen. Oh, no. I think I can get this guy back though. Let me see. I was gonna record this cast because there was a big old swirl right here. Literally about 2 seconds before it got hung up. So I thought maybe I'd catch the big swirl, but instead I got the big log. I hope I can. Oh, it popped free and tangled me up in the process, but I got it back. So yay, victory! Let's see if I can get myself a free bobber. So close. Ugh. I don't know if I want it. Scupper hole bobber. Something nice. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh, you're kidding me. He literally broke me off. Oh, it was nice. I don't know what it was. Fudge. I literally said last cast. I feel bad for him too. He's got treble hooks stuck in his face. That's the way it goes, I guess. Makes you feel any better. Somewhere up in one of these trees is the rooster tail I lost earlier. It was right here. Alright. Let's get paddling home, I guess. I'm not gonna lose another one. Dang, man. It was a nice fish. It was nice. Alright, so I'm homeward bound, and you know, fairly successful day, I would say. It's you know, nice to always catch a fish, and always exciting when you lose one, but you know, devastating nonetheless. So I just kind of wanted to get your guys' input on things that you like, things that you didn't like about this video. I look to be doing more in the future. You know, I do still have a part-time job along with being a full-time student, so I don't know exactly how many videos I'm going to be able to crank out when, you know, school starts back up. But just wanted to put this one out here, and hope y'all liked it. Make sure you subscribe, subscribo, leave a comment, you know, tell me what you liked, tell me what you didn't like. Also, I'll take tips too. You know, with those rooster tails, I didn't do quite as good as I would have liked to. Any tips on what colors to fish, when to fish, what time of day to fish, where to fish? Am I looking for brush? Am I looking for, you know, flat, you know, open flat areas? Any help would be super awesome. So thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next chapter. North American leaf fish, a very invasive species, can be found throughout the United States, is considered a trash fish. You are highly encouraged to take it off with, you know, extreme caution, bash it on the head so nobody ever catches it again, and throw it out. It is one of the most deadly, you know, invasive species in America. They're no fun to catch. They're trash fish. They're not good to eat. And they just are ravaging the populations of eatable, edible, whatever, game fish. It's atrocious.